Friends, welcome to Easy and Home Style Cooking. I'm Mrs. Ragini. Today I'm going to share a pulav recipe. I have showed you couple of recipes with rice and even pulavs, but today we are going to make a pulav with kacha tomato and soya. Have you tried it? If you have not tried, try it out. It's very nice. You know, sometimes we get this kacha tomatoes, that is raw tomatoes, not the red tomatoes. You can take those tomatoes and you can make an excellent pickle also. I already showed you the pickle, or otherwise you can make a pulav like this. So let's start to make the pulav. So here I have the tomatoes. I cut it into halves. If you want, you can cut it into 4 pieces. I cut it into 2 pieces like this. And here the soya chunks, I soaked it in hot water for 10 minutes and even these are ready. Now we are going to add some oil in a pan. This is a pulav, so you can directly add all the ingredients and we are going to cook the rice. So by the time this oil heats up, what we are going to do is we are going to just blend some ingredients. Fresh coconut, some 10 pieces of coconut you can use, and also green chilies. This we are going to make a paste. The oil is hot. We are going to add some tempering ingredients: peppercorns, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cardamom. You can add 1 or 2 pieces all, and cloves, and also slices of onions. We are not going to brown these onions. Lot of curry leaves, mint leaves, and very little of ginger garlic paste. Salt. We are going to saute this for a minute. After sauteing it for a minute, add turmeric, very little. If you want color, then you can add turmeric, or otherwise you can skip also. And now we are going to add soya and also the raw tomatoes. We are going to slightly saute it. After sauteing it, here I have the paste of coconut and the green chilies. You can see, if you want, you can add some water and you can make a nice fine paste, or coarse also you can make. This we are going to add it, mix it. For some more of color, I am adding some green peas. These are store bought green peas. You can add very little. Always pulavs, if I make, I add lot of vegetables and make the rice. So here I mixed it, and now we are going to add water, enough water to cook our rice. So if you are taking 1 cup of rice, then you can add 1.5 cup of water. I have taken 1.5 cup of rice, so I am going to add 3 cups of water. In this jar I can add very little. Mix once and check the taste and adjust the seasoning and then add the rice. I am going to check the taste. Nice coconut flavor, and the green chilies are nice and hot. I can add some salt because we are adding rice, so your salt should be perfect. And mix once and let this come to 1 boil, and then we are going to add the rice. So today I am using basmati rice. What I did is I soaked it for 30 minutes. If you want, you can soak it, but always soak it to get a good result. So here I have the soaked rice. I am going to add this after I see 1 boil. Friends, here you can see the water has come to a nice boil. I checked the taste, it's perfect. If you want, you can add salt and chili powder if you want, but this is all perfect. And now I am going to add the rice. This pulav will be little bit of soft, not like grainy like our regular pulavs. Mix once, and we are going to cover this with a lid, and first 2 to 3 minutes we are going to cook it on high flame, and then we are going to reduce and cook till our rice is done in a slow flame. So we are going to wait for some time till our rice is done. Friends, our rice is all ready. It took just 10 to 15 minutes to cook our rice. Our raw tomato and soya rice is ready. You can see, as I told you, this won't be like grainy. This will be little bit moist, like, see, wow, the coconut flavor is so nice. You can see the color of the rice is nice yellow in color. Even you can see the tomatoes, they are not overcooked, they are perfectly cooked, and still we can see the tomatoes, see, and the rice is nice, flavored with the coconut and the green chilies. Dear friends, sometimes you need to try such type of rice also. Wow, this is simply superb. You have everything in this. You no need to have any more. You need not have the raita also. Just like this, you can have this rice. The flavors from, you know, soya, from the tomato and the coconut. Dear friends, this is yummy and awesome. I hope you enjoyed this simple raw tomato and soya pulav. If you like it, make it and also share it with your friends so that everybody can have fresh food.